This is question number 7 in the June 2014 non-calculator paper. The first thing I need to draw your attention to is the fact that there's a star next to the question number. So they require us to write a sentence answer, and there's quality of written communication marks available in this question. It says the diagram shows the floor of a small field. So this is a field. Kevin is going to keep some pigs in the field. Each pig requires 36 square meters. Work out the greatest number of pigs that Kevin can keep in the field. So as I'm reading through this, I'm thinking about what maths I need to do to work out the answer. And what I believe I need to do is find the area of the whole field. And then once I know the area of the whole field, because I know each pig requires 36 square meters, divide the whole area by 36 and see how many 36s go into that. So let's actually do that. I'm going to split this shape, this compound shape, into two rectangles. This side here is 10 and this here is 7. So the area of this rectangle is going to be 10 times 7, which is 70 meters squared. Now you are allowed to write around the question and the examiners will mark it, so you can easily do what I've just done there. In this for this rectangle here, I need to work out the area of this rectangle. I know its width is 6, but its length from there to there is not 16, but it's going to be 16 take away 7. So it's the same as that distance there. So I'm going to do 16 take away 7, and that's 9 meters. So that distance up to from there to there is 9 meters. So to work out the area of that rectangle, it's going to be 6 times 9, which is 54 meters squared. So what I could do now is I could work out the total area of the field. Right, I could add those two and find the total area of the field. So let's just do that. And I'm going to say the total area of the field is going to be 70 plus 54. 70 add 50 is 120. Add 4 is 124 meters squared. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure I show everything here. And now the number of pigs, well, the math that I need to do is 124 divided by 36. Now, that's not an easy division, but the best way to go about that is just to say, well, 36, what's 2 lots of 36? 36 add 36 is 72. If I add another 36 to that, it's going to be, that's going to be 8. 7 add 3 is 10. Okay, I'm going to try to see if I can get as close as possible to 124. 36 add 108 is 144. Actually, that's bigger. So if I think about this, 124 divided by 36, that is going to be 3 and a bit. Okay, so there'll be 3 and then a decimal number to that. So what do I need to do now? If in terms of answering the question, work out the greatest number of pigs Kevin can keep in the field. The most pigs he can keep in the field is 3, right? So I'm going to write a sentence. I'm going to use it in context. I'm going to use Kevin's name. So Kevin can keep 3 pigs in the field. Okay, and that's a complete answer. There's a lot of workings in this question, right? But this is a very straightforward question for 4 marks, which if you understand how to work out the area of this compound shape and do a simple division, you should be able to get there. Make sure for questions with a star next to the question number, you write a clear sentence at the end of the question. Make sure you show as much workings as possible to make sure you get full marks.